Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Ford Explorer ST. The ST has replaced the Explorer Sport with the new redesign, while also spicing it up a little bit more and injecting that DNA that Ford honed in with the Fiesta and Focus ST and bringing it to their crossovers. Wow. Not sure. There we go. It's a little arrow that tells you where it is. Nice little Explorer Easter egg right here. Bubble wrap. I didn't know that was in there. Alright, there's that. I love this color too. I was gonna review a white one and they said, hey, why don't you check out this one? And it is awesome. Silver Spruce Metallic is the color name. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up or not, but it is phenomenal. On the window sticker, total price comes to $59,740 for a pretty much fully loaded model. And you also get the ST SUV experience. Very much like Octane Academy back with the Focus and Fiesta ST. This is adapted to be more SUV focused. So it is a one-day driving experience, one guest experience, a one-night hotel stay, welcome dinner, breakfast, catered lunch, some gifts, and that is all free with the purchase of one of these. Purchase or lease. I think you can do it with a lease too, because I almost did it. Definitely has a really, really good look to it. Definitely sets itself apart from the crowd. Check out the rear seat space. This is brought up. There we go. Really, really nice back seat area. Full panoramic sunroof. Really, really nice. Third row has a ton of room when there's not cardboard there. Nice armrest. I love the white contrast stitching throughout. It's really, really nice. Make sure I didn't get any raindrops on it, because now it's starting to rain. Nice texture material. This is a really, really nice vehicle. Does have a great sound to it too. A lot of the sound is piped in, but you know what? At this point, I am perfectly okay with that. There you go. There's your full panoramic sunroof. Wireless phone charger. So this here, you can have some wires running out because for the USB, so you can have some wires running out and still close it. Pretty smart idea. Bang & Olufsen sound system really sounds great. But yeah, without further ado, let's take it for the drive. In order to drive, you have to touch the steering wheel, and it is my favorite steering wheel in an SUV so far. Absolutely awesome. It curves around your hands in the back section here. It just curves right around. So holding it is an absolute pleasure. Nice thumb grips. It is absolutely excellent. Really, 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 really well done here. Bunch of different drive modes as well. You have deep snow sand with that graphic, trail, slippery, normal, eco, sport, and tow haul mode. We'll go ahead and put it in trail mode. because there's some pretty good ruts and stuff like that. See how it handles that. And then on the road, we'll bump it over onto sport mode. Really good sound, as you can hear, for that split-second acceleration. Put it into normal drive. The paddles are really fun to use. Something I'm definitely glad that they kept that sporty feel to it. A lot of people might question, is this a real ST? I think it is. Oh. Much like how Ford had the Fusion Sport, I think they still do, I'm not 100% sure. That was more power, really nice. And that's what the ST in the Focus and Fiesta was in North America. The Focus and Fiesta are continuing elsewhere, but in North America, we don't get them anymore. Pretty sad, in my opinion. But yeah, they still have all the DNA that I've come to love about those cars. Has such a good sound to it. Wow. Fun fact is the rotary dial gear selector is straight out of the Ford GT and the Mustang Shelby GT500. So when you buy one of these, you get a piece from the GT. Pretty cool, and definitely something you can say at parties, saying, hey, I have my shifter's from the Ford GT. Not everybody can say that, unless they have a rotary dial from Ford anyway. But just kind of neat. Wow. Overall driving feel is phenomenal. With the 2020 refresh, the top of the line Explorers get this full-size screen. Vertical, like in the Ram and Teslas, the Model S and X, the Model 3 and Y have it horizontally, as well as the new Cybertruck will have it horizontal. Pretty cool. Man. And it's a super throaty sound in sport mode. I'll go ahead and bump it over into normal mode so we can kind of compare. Sport mode definitely tightens up the steering. I think it might tighten the suspension a little bit, not by a lot. The suspension is already sport tuned, even in the loosest settings. So in sport mode, you definitely get increased throttle response. The sound being piped into the cabin is quite a lot louder. Wow. That is insanity. Wow. If you're still questioning whether this has the ST DNA, I think you should test drive one, because these are really, really good cars. They are superb. I really don't have many complaints at all. In the coming weeks, I'll probably drive different trim levels of the Explorer, kind of compare and contrast and see if it really is that much different. But from talking from the salespeople that work here at Quirk Ford, they told me that this is very different feeling from the Explorer, in a good way for performance drivers. The refresh, well, not refresh, this is a complete redesign. Everything is so futuristic, so modern. It's a really, really nice place to be. I personally love the new looks of it. I got to see a pre-production model one time visiting a Ford dealership to get my car serviced when I had my ST Focus. And I was a big fan of it when I saw it then, and I still am. I think Ford knocked it out of the ballpark with this car. Just such a great experience. Lovely to drive. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.